I'm Ken Croston, President and CEO of Electronic Locksmith. I met Jim in 2007 in Lockmasters Institute in Kentucky, completely by chance. We instantly hit it off, became good friends. He very quickly became one of my most trusted advisors.
My name is Jim Handley. I worked for Electronic Locksmith for 10 years. We're 1,000 miles apart. He's from Florida and I'm from Chicago. And we stuck up a little conversation during the class, small talk, and it led into, when you come to Florida sometimes, I told him, hey, I come to Florida sometimes. He said, well, when you come, give me a call. Hey, why don't you come up and see me in Opopka? And I said, okay. So I come up, and this guy's working in his house, in the garage. I looked at him and I said, you know, I started a business similar to this. And I said, you know, maybe I can come in and help him with no motive. Didn't think nothing about, you know, him paying me or him hiring me. But I wanted to show someone that, look, I've been through the same thing. So I want to help someone else get past what I got past.
In 2009, the business reached a point and asked Jim if he would come to work with us full time, and he said yes.
So the thing was to go out and get customers. So what I did is that I went back to Midwest and I started going door to door, knocking on hotel doors. And I'm a customer service person. I want to make sure my customer gets service.
Both of us very much valued growth. And when we talk about growth, we're talking about personal and professional growth. Jim really is somebody that personifies that lifelong learning.
I've always been a person that loved to treat folks right. But I think it came from my background, family background, that always wanted us to respect others. I spent 4 years in the military. I was in the U.S., I was in the Navy. In the Navy, you live so close, so you can't take others' material. So as coming up, I think all of that, my military experience, my family background. I worked for ABC News for over 30 years, traveling, worked for the national news, traveling all over.
He's a wonderful human being, has such a unique background and history. He's an encyclopedia of knowledge, cares very deeply about people, about his family and his friends, and it's just, when you talk about a people person, that's Jim.
It's an honor to be around, to work around individuals that are trying to do their best. I feel good just to be associated with a group of individuals like this. I mean, over the years, it's the first time I've ever been with a group. You find a few that you like to be around, but this is a whole group of individuals that is showing that they want to be here. They want to do their best. And so it's a great feeling, a great honor to even have him to think enough of me to keep me around 10 years. You know, I mean, sometimes, you know, you think, well, when is your last day, you know, but it's been a great honor to be in his presence.
Congratulations, Jim, for 10 years. Unbelievable that it's already been 10 years, but love having you around. Thank you.